Well, hello. It's been a while. Sorry for not uploading any videos on YouTube. I've just been really focused on education and moving the house lately. As you see, there is a new backdrop, and the setup has been upgraded. And as you probably can see from a reflection of my eyes, there is a light up there. So today, I'm going to give you a special setup tour, how things are going, and I'll show you the before and after results. Let's get on to the tour. So here's the setup. It's a dual monitor computer with this nifty light in case you want to light up my setup. I won't be using it right now because it's obviously daytime outside. I do have my email open because I am doing online school. Online school is alright. I do have a creative media task that is just do camera shots. So I am learning media and how that stuff works. So now we're going to do it before and after with the setup, and then I'll show you around the office. It's nothing really too special. So here's the after, and here's the before. Let's put them side to side. There must be a big difference there. Let's do a bit of an office tour. So as you come in, the office is way bigger than it used to be, because the office, you will just go in and it ends just about here, and it's like a little square cube room. Now it's way bigger with a huge desk, another desk, and maybe some parts and that in case if something does go off. We're still in the works of working out so this is kind of messy at the moment. So let's talk about this dual monitor. So I needed a dual monitor for a very long time. So I can have like Discord, like here, or I can have like some script going on there. Then we have this stand, which I recently got, helpful with this dual monitor, so I can adjust any height I need it. At the moment, I find it perfect there with the light there. Normally people get like lights that are already plugged in, never need charging because they're already plugged into power. This one is wireless and it does need recharging from time to time, so that's the only downside to it. But I can put different moods, so I can have it extremely bright or extremely dark, or I can have it from extremely white to extremely warm. So that does it for the tour today. I don't think the video is very good because this is non-scripted, I just made everything up. But scripting is key when it comes to videos. That's a little hint for me and for you guys if you want to do videos in the future. Scripting is key, and camera quality and video quality is key. So there are some gaming videos. Yeah, and then it's mainly vlogs, some gaming videos. I'm going to start focusing more on gaming and then a little bit more on filming. Now, cool vlogs from now on filming. Because I really want to start experimenting with the cinematic mode on the phone and actually start shooting movies. Not like 1 hour long movies, maybe like short 10-minute, 20-minute videos of like us doing something in cinematic mode as I've seen in like videos like this or like that. But, you know, also editing wise, it will get better. I've studied a lot of editing throughout these past few months, and I am now understanding a lot because I will be soon putting a green screen. Basically, we just have a green blanket, but I can use it as a green screen, and this light will help with it. So I can just quickly attach it up here, and we can have like some backdrop instead of just this boring room backdrop. And quality, I think I've already spoken about this, but quality from now on will be 1080p. 30, 60, 50 frames per second, because I feel like 4K, even though it's good quality, I really like 4K, and it's good quality, it just takes up too much storage, and it's just really annoying to fiddle with, because it takes, for 1080p, and the export time is extremely long for 4K, so I might as well just go to 1080p, or even now I can go to just a 2K. But even though 2K is a little bit more better than 1080p, it still takes a long time for 2K to upload, like 4K. So it's better to do 1080p than 2 or 4K. So I can't, any lower than 1080, then I'd class that as bad quality, because 720, 480 is just rubbish quality and I can't deal with that. So from now on I'll be posting 1080p. And yeah, that's all for today's tour. I'll see you guys later. Bye.